Gonna start saving data. That's create save game object. This makes an instance of save game class to store a data in. Saves are structured. This node gives you a container, basically a save game subclass where you put your player progress, inventory, preference, everything which have to do with persistence. I mean, if there's something you want to keep persistent, then of course you need to use this. Now to get this node, just right click and type in create save game data and you will get this node like this. For now, we will remove both of these because we have a very simplified example prepared for us where you can see as soon as we press E1, it will create a save game and then display the name in print screen. Now you might ask, what is the save game class? So the save game class can be created very easily. For now, we will just click on this search icon so we can go to that because we already created it. So yeah, as you can see on the screen, this is the save underscore tutorial that I made. But how to make it, right? Just right click in the content browser and click on blueprint like this, and then drop down the all class and then type save, and you will just click on it, and just after click on select, and you will get this exactly. Then you can name it whatever you like, and in it you can make variable functions, macros, even dispatches. I mean, you can do a whole lot of things inside the save game as well. Today we will not talk about that. We will talk about only how to do this. In following tutorial we will explore it a bit more, but for now let's just compile this. I mean, there is no need to compile even. So yeah, now we are in our character and here we need to compile, of course, and the logic is very simple. I don't think it's very complicated because it's just click and create the save game, then just press the begin play and see it in action. As soon as you press 1, you can see it's creating that save underscore tutorial underscore c, then 1 2 3 4, as you can see. So it's creating slots. Now the question is, where is actually used? Because it's a very specific node and it can't be used again and again and again because you are not always creating save game objects. You need to save in the already created ones. So you can say it's technically a start of save game object structure. That's why I recommend you today to watch all of these videos which is related to save games so that you can understand it more thoroughly. Because when you are designing your save game structure, you need to be very careful to avoid any breaking compatibility later. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.